Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, and today I'm excited to be sharing 1207 Indiana. This is unit number 7, and this is a amazing loft, industrial live work type loft in the dog patch area. And just look at, we entered here and you're greeted by these super tall ceilings, this floor to ceiling window that overlooks your little private courtyard, and then this magnificent kitchen. We have a gas fireplace, accent lighting, a wine refrigerator, bar stool seating. The bar stools can come included with the lease. Hood, range, that's a gas top, 5-burner, dishwasher, as well as a microwave, deep sink with garbage disposal. Lots of cabinetry space for storage. In fact, an overabundance of it, as well as quartz countertops, and not only 3-prong outlets, but also USB outlets. Let's go upstairs first. Okay, as we climb up, this is the top level, and we're greeted by, at this landing, a really expansive room that overlooks the loft area below. This does have a full bathroom, the sink and cabinetry is outside, as well as in the shower and toilets behind the door. And you can appreciate how big this is by looking over the side. These windows do close up if you want more privacy, if you're using this as an office or maybe a guest bedroom or guest room. And here's a tub shower combination, tile backsplash, everything you need to enjoy. Okay, let's go downstairs. All right, I have a washer and dryer right here, oversized, big load washer and dryer. Coat closet or accessory closet. Again, a shoe rack if you so desire. This is a door from the lower level, so this is actually street level that we're on right now. And then we have what can be used as the master bedroom. This is a big giant room, fireplace, and then tub shower combination. On this level too is you have a nice outdoor area that is protected on all sides from wind. Again, lots of flexibility here. So since there's 3 levels and there are doors on all 3 levels, you can really mix and match on how you would like to arrange your living. You can either use the top floor as your bedroom or the bottom floor and have that more as a master suite. All right, so come enjoy. We are showing this. This is currently November 2024, and we look forward to sharing this property with you.